Hi guys, Monch Lopez here of review.com.ph. Today we're unboxing the Redmi 9, which just launched officially. And surprise surprise, this intro was actually shot using the phone's front-facing camera. So this is the actual retail box that our unit shipped with. This is the official retail packaging for the Redmi 9. And as you can see, it's the same old Xiaomi Redmi packaging, white cardboard box. The Xiaomi logo up here, Redmi 9, branding, Redmi 9 logo, images of the phone, front, back, as well as the color options the phone comes in. Over here it says Redmi 9 with easy access to the Google apps you use most. So this is to remind you that this phone actually has the Google Play Store and core Google apps pre-installed, so you don't have to go through a third-party app store or third-party website to download the apps that you want. So now let's open the box. Okay, it's kind of stiff. Bear with me. Before we move forward, full disclosure, we've used the phone for a bit already. We've opened the box, we know what's inside. And this sticker right here is not actually part of the retail packaging. This is at the back of the unit. I just put it here because I have nowhere else to put it. Okay. So this container has the silicone case, the user guide, SIM eject tool, and warranty card. So this is the silicone case for the Redmi 9. What I like about it is that it has this tab for the charging port, so it's not exposed all the time if you're not using it. And this is the warranty card for the Redmi 9. This is the, of course, the user guide, SIM eject tool. Of course, you're familiar with this. So this is the Redmi 9. It looks stunning in this colorway, purple, blue, with a slight texture to keep fingerprints away. And let's move on from the unit first because I have to show you what else is inside. So this is the power adapter the phone ships with. It's a 10-watt power adapter, and unfortunately, even though the phone supports 18-watt fast charging, Xiaomi doesn't ship the phone with an 18-watt charger, so you only get a 10-watt power brick. If you want to enjoy the full 18 watts charging, you have to buy a charger separately or use another charger from another device that supports 18-watt charging. So this is the USB cable, pretty standard fare, and per usual, the Redmi 9 doesn't come with a headset. Now that we got everything out of the way, let's talk about the phone more. So again, this is the Redmi 9. This is the most affordable Redmi phone on the market right now, and even more affordable than any handset and the Redmi Note 9 series. Let's take another look at the back of the phone. You have this nice gradient right here with a micro texture. The main camera module is 13 megapixels with a secondary ultra-wide, macro, and portrait lens. And of course, the fingerprint sensor is integrated into this circular module. On the right-hand side, you have the power button and volume rocker, as well as the nice gradient that flows from the back of the device. On the left, you have a hybrid tray with a dedicated card slot for expanded storage. At the base of the handset, you have this USB-C port, a headphone jack, and a loudspeaker. Again, this phone doesn't come with a pair of wired headsets, so you have to purchase your own separately. Interestingly, this phone has an IR blaster up top and an NFC module, but that's depending on where you buy it from. Now let's take a look at some specs alongside some beauty shots we took of the phone earlier. If you're interested in the Redmi 9, you'll be happy to know that you can purchase it in the Philippines for $6,990 for the 3GB 32GB variant, while the 4GB 64GB storage version that we have is priced at $7,490. So that's it for our unboxing video of the Redmi 9. Again, this is Monch Lopez of review.com.ph. Till our next video.